Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another vlog. Right now, I'm about to get ready because I am gonna go film some content at Macy's, the one in the city. So like the big Macy's, 34th Street Macy's. So I'm about to get ready. I just had to rush and shave my legs. Life of a very hairy person. Like, I need to get laser hair removal. I think I want to get that. I just heard some people say that it didn't fully work or it just took a long time for it to work. But anywho, after I filmed this content at Macy's, my fiance and I have a early dinner at an omakase restaurant, and I'm so excited because if you don't know, I love sushi. I love sushi, and I've been wanting to try this omakase experience since I've seen it, which was probably over a year ago at this point. So I'm just so excited about that. And that's around 5 p.m. and my appointment for Macy's is at 2. So it is, I don't know what time it is, hold on. It's about to be 12. I'm not gonna do anything since I am getting, the content that I'm filming is for me to get shade matched. So I'm just gonna do like the lash extensions, the ones that already are like glued or whatever. I actually just received some from Ardell. I've never tried the Ardell ones. I thought only Kiss was doing them, but Ardell said, hold on, I'm here too. So I'm gonna do the Ardell ones and hopefully they're just as good as the Kiss, if not better. What else? And I'm just gonna just, tame my eyebrows. They look okay. They're pretty good, but I'm just gonna tame them a little bit more. Just put like I'm thinking of doing the e.l.f. Halo Glow skin tint thing that has SPF. And then that's it. And some lip gloss or something. And that's it. I just did these nails too. Dashing Diva. Okay? Dashing Diva. But let me go because now I'm hype off coffee right now. So, BRB. Alright, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of my skincare. I just did some eye cream from Bubble. I don't know the name of it, but I'll put it here on the screen somewhere. I'm going to use the Evian facial mist. This one is Glow. So, they have 3 that they sent me. They have Glow, Protect, and I forgot the other one. But, Calm. I like using this before skincare because I like to have my face a little hydrated. That way the products kind of seep in. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use. I know Go Pure is super shiny. Like, my skin is going to be glowing. But I think this one, I can't fully remember it. And that's why I kind of want to go to it because I can't fully remember it. And I know it has a tint too. I think they're similar though. But I'm going to go with e.l.f. So this is the Sun Touchable Whoa Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. It's sun protection plus makeup primer. I'm just using it as just my base for today. I am thinking about putting a little bit of just concealer because my dark circles, but I don't actually really care. What I know about the Go Pure, because I've used it more often, is that the Go Pure is a lot thicker. This one's giving, and I think the Go Pure is a little bit more, it's a lot thicker, so it's a little bit more shiny. It's like putting honey on your skin, that one. This one, it could get to that because I feel the tackiness and stuff, but it's not as thick at all. It's easier to like rub into your skin. But that's it, y'all. That's all I'm doing for the skin right now. And for my hair, I just washed it yesterday. But it is super duper hot out. Like New York City is hot. It's hot. So I'm gonna do a curly bun. I'm gonna put my hair up because I can't do the hair down thing. Doing a little MCO Beauty. This is their Brow Laminate Sculpt and Set. Usually I kind of just do that, but I'm gonna brush it like brush it in the way like my eyebrows going, and then it kind of is like flat. Hold on, let me move y'all this way because this is better lighting. I don't have my light on right now, that's why. But I'm gonna try to like laminate them. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. My hair looks crazy, first of all. I'll look crazy a little bit. I do. Hold on. I need to go off camera because this is the first time I'm doing this. All right, y'all. What y'all think about the brows? I feel like this is my favorite brow. This gave me almost no trouble. This one, on the other hand, girl. But I think they look good. I don't know, something to get used to, I think. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. They're the Ardell Naked Professional Pre-Glued Under Lash Extensions. Place and press, no glue needed. I don't know what model. Oh, this is in natural. So I'm gonna go put these on, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer Plus Serum. This is the concealer I use when I am not wearing any other like base, because it's not gonna be like overpowering, and it's like a serum, so it like blends into the skin. And I'm only gonna use that right there. BRB, okay? Actually, no, I'm gonna try it with you guys. I just had to move y'all like in front of my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I also have another mirror right there. All right, so let's try these Ardell Glued Lashes. It is 12:07. So running on good time, y'all. After this, I just have to get dressed, and I already know what I'm wearing, so that's easy. We're gonna start off with the 12 millimeters, and I like their their tweezer. It feels very like, it has a good weight to it. The only thing I noticed off the back, about these, is that the band looks a lot thicker, so like it looks like they put more glue on theirs. I don't like the tweezers, honestly, y'all. I'll be doing this with my hands, but let's see. Yeah, no, I'm using my fingers. I'm sorry, I tried. So much more control with your fingers. That looks very pretty, very pretty. I'm gonna do another 12. I will say though, the tweezers help to get the actual lashes off of the paper, or whatever this is, little thingamajig. Boom. I think I'm gonna do one more 12 and then move on to 10s. Ooh. First impressions, this feels a little easier to use. I'm not even gonna lie. This feels a little easier to use. And I love Kiss. Y'all know I love Kiss, but so far, somehow, I think because it has more glue, it's a little tackier, so it feels a little easier to use. Oh no, yeah, these lashes getting everywhere. I gotta go. Hold on. Okay, y'all, this is how the lashes look. First impressions, I feel like these are easier to use, because one thing I struggle with from the impressions ones is that they're hard to come off of the packaging. Like, it has a really thick glue coming off of the packaging, and it's not the glue that's supposed to be on the lashes like to apply them. It's just like from the actual packaging, if that makes sense. So these lift right off of the packaging, so that makes the process a lot faster. Some cons to this one is that the band is a lot thicker, I feel like, so I felt the need to tight line with these because it was really thick, like at the root. There's something I'm not, see, I tight lined a little. There's something I'm not quite liking around this area, but I'm not sure what happened. Like, this one flares out so much better. I also did put a little bit of mascara. I do that with all of my lashes, strip lashes. Like, I just always put a little bit of mascara, and then I already went ahead and put a little bit of my concealer. So now I'm gonna move on to doing my hair. I'm gonna do, as I said, a curly bun, because I just washed my hair yesterday, so it's like easily manageable, and I think a curly bun would look really cute, unless I should leave it out. I don't know, we'll see what I come up with, but I'm gonna go hurry up and do my hair because I do have to head out soon. All right, y'all, I'm ready. I just have to put my shoes on, but I'm about to head out the door. As you can see, like, a little bit goes, you know, I did a little lip combo, this a little romper that I'll get a full clip of later on. I'm gonna wear some heels to kind of dress it up a little, and then like a little purse or whatever. So I have to head out the door. I can't do much rambling. See y'all later. Hey y'all, it is the next day. Today's Saturday, July 20th, I believe. Yes. And I am off to my brother's birthday barbecue. He turned 23 and he's having a Jersey themed barbecue, so you know I had to wear Golden State, and we're kind of running a little late, so I'm just doing my intro now, and then I'm gonna get a few clips at the barbecue. So let's go.
Excuse me, everybody, if I can have your attention. On behalf of me and CI, we just want to thank you all for coming out. If you're here, it's because you're more than family. You know, you're special. You hold a special place to us in our heart. Everybody here, you know, get to mingle, get to know one another because it's family. We love you and enjoy.
Cheers! Say something, Carlos.
What would you like for me to say?
Oh, yeah. You got a tongue twister there.
What is it?
Did you have too much? Did you have too much?
Somewhat.
Oh. This is my arch nemesis.
Get out of here, you macaroni ears.
Yeah. Carlos, leave me alone, please.
Well, you're the one with the phone in my face.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm gonna tackle you, my nigga, and then I'm gonna fall on your chest. Burgers is gonna get my sister. I don't hold you, bro.
Good morning, YouTube. It is the next day and probably the final day of this vlog. I cannot remember. I thought I ended it actually. I don't know. Anywho, today we are going to ZZ Day Spa and I am collaborating with them, so we're gonna get some services, and I think we're getting a massage and then the hot tub, and I'm so excited because I am exhausted after the last couple of days. I feel like there's just been back to back things and it's great. I'm happy about it because it's like family time and just like memories being created, but I'm also very tired. So and besides family time, I feel like I've had a lot of work to do. Fun work, but it's still work. So anyway, we're getting ready to go get a massage and I am very happy about that. I feel like it is well needed. We have to head out like in the next 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go. Just wanted to do a quick little intro and I'll show you guys the spot when we get there.